Men, let me ask you something. Have you noticed a change in your performance after 40? Erections not as strong, stamina fading, confidence slipping? Many men think the answer is popping a pill. But what if I told you that you can restore bedroom power naturally, without medication, without side effects, and with results that last? Stay with me until the end because I'm going to count down the 5 most powerful doctor-backed steps to achieving stronger erections after 40. And trust me, step number 1 could completely transform your life. Step 5. Strengthen your foundation with blood flow foods. Everything begins with circulation. Erections are literally a blood flow event. If your arteries are stiff or clogged, your performance suffers. The solution? Eat foods that open up blood vessels naturally. Leafy greens like spinach, beets, and arugula are rich in nitrates. These compounds turn into nitric oxide in the body, relaxing blood vessels and increasing circulation to where you need it most. Think of these foods as nature's Viagra. Add them daily, in salads, smoothies, or even beet juice. Within weeks, many men notice firmer, stronger erections without touching a pill. Step 4. Reignite testosterone with the right nutrition. After 40, testosterone drops around 1% every year. That might sound small, but over time, it destroys energy, muscle, and sexual performance. To fight back, you need testosterone-friendly foods. Oysters provide zinc, a mineral critical for testosterone. Salmon and eggs supply healthy fats and vitamin D, building blocks of male hormones. Even dark chocolate, in moderation, improves circulation and testosterone balance. Replace processed junk with these powerhouse foods and you'll feel the difference not just in the bedroom, but in your daily drive and energy. Step 3. Train your body, train your power. Exercise is not just about looking good. It's about rewiring your hormones. And here's the secret weapon: pelvic floor training. Yes, the same muscles women train, men should too. Kegel exercises strengthen the muscles that control blood flow in and out of the penis. Just a few minutes a day can dramatically improve erection strength and staying power. Imagine treating your workouts as medicine. Every rep, every squat is an investment in your vitality and performance. Step 2. Master stress and restore recovery. Most men underestimate the impact of stress. High cortisol levels crush testosterone and restrict blood flow. And when anxiety enters the bedroom, it's game over. So what's the fix? Daily stress relief rituals. Deep breathing for 5 minutes. A short walk after dinner. Journaling to unload thoughts. Even meditation apps can reset your nervous system. But the biggest factor? Sleep. Men who sleep less than 6 hours a night have testosterone levels equal to men 10 years older. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of consistent quality sleep. It's not laziness, it's performance fuel. Step 1. Upgrade your mindset and eliminate silent killers. Now we come to the most important step, because no food or exercise can outdo the silent killers men ignore: alcohol, smoking, and processed sugar. These destroy circulation, lower testosterone, and silently sabotage erections. Reducing them is like taking the brakes off your performance. And mindset? Critical. Anxiety is one of the biggest killers of erections. When you focus on fear of failure, fear of not performing, your body shuts down. Confidence is the ultimate performance enhancer. Build it by taking care of your health, by practicing, and by trusting your body again. Gentlemen, when you eliminate these silent killers and rebuild confidence, the transformation is unstoppable. So let's recap. Step 5. Eat blood flow foods like spinach and beets. Step 4. Boost testosterone with oysters, salmon, and dark chocolate. Step 3. Train your body and your pelvic floor for lasting power. Step 2. Master stress and get quality sleep. Step 1. Cut out silent killers and build confidence. Follow these 5 steps and you'll notice stronger, longer-lasting erections, naturally, without pills and without side effects. Gentlemen, you don't need to accept decline as normal. Your best days can still be ahead of you. Make one change today and watch your power return. If this message helped you, share it with another man who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe because in my next video, I'll reveal the doctor-approved blueprint for maximizing testosterone after 40. You don't want to miss it.